welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette, and as I explained in the utility room reveal, there's been a slight change of the work schedule. We should be working in the master bedroom and creating an ensuite, and instead we are on this end of the house trying to make things look nice. So we have a cloakroom now, and we're going to try to make it pretty. We won't be touching the floors because that is something that I want to do at a later stage, because what I want cannot be done now, has to wait. So Mr. B took all the tiles off and removed a fake ceiling that was in here. I have had this sample of wallpaper in here for several weeks now, because this is way out of my comfort zone and I wanted to make sure that I was okay with the decision. So, very bold. So this is the wallpaper we're going to use. We got it in B&Q, 12 pounds a roll. So we reckon we only need 2 rolls in here. Before we get to the funny bit of putting up wallpaper, we already have a toilet. There is a lot of damaged walls that need to be repaired. So let me turn the camera around so that you can see. So we have a bit of repair to do, as you can see in there. I don't know if you can see the mark, but Mr. B removed the suspended ceiling that was in here. So it's a very tall room. We have some severe damage around here as well, in here in the windowsill. The toilet, like I said, we already had, so Mr. B is going to have to box all that around here. I bought this basin on Marketplace for £50. So has been sitting in here for quite a few weeks now. I also have bought a tap already and a drain pop up to go in there. Mr. B is going to have to box all this up, and that we need to fix. And these pipes are in here because the room is very small. The room is only 175 centimeters by 90 wide. So it's standard clock room in the UK, I believe. So we decided to put the rod up high over there because Mr. B needs to do all the boxing in here to go in there. And I'll put a little mirror. Now, we are not going to wallpaper all of the room. My plan is the wallpaper will be coming all the way here, and from the way down we're going to do paneling. Let me show you the paneling. Now, this is the paneling we have. All this here, it was left in the house by the previous owner. So we are trying to utilize this, but this is not enough for the cloakroom. So yesterday in B&Q Trade Point, we got more of it. So they are not exactly the same, but we really want to use that. One, cost effective. Second, because we don't want to waste. We really don't want to put it in the skip. So we're going to find a way to marry both of them, old and new, and make something beautiful. I want to paint it very dark blue, so I think we may get away with it. Mr. B also bought this, and this is just a trim to go on top of the paneling. So let's get on with it. So Mr. B has passed the baton to me. He's finished his work, and now I'm going to give a base coat throughout all the woodwork and then do some filling. Why do we do it in that order? Because apparently if you prime all the woodwork first, then the filler grabs better. So that's what I'm going to do. It's a bit of sanding to do as well, but I will just cover everything with a coat of a base coat, and then we move on to that. So Sunday morning, the sun is shining, and we're going to paint. So another extreme makeover done, just in time for the summer. Now that we are spending more time in the garden and in the outdoor kitchen, this cloakroom is very useful because it's just next door to the back door, so it's fantastic. Let me turn the camera around so that I can show you in more detail. We haven't changed the floor because, if I show you, it continues through into the utility room. So that will be a job for another time. So what we did do was this paneling that we got in B&Q. A pack of 5 is about £7 a pack, and we have used 5 packs. The wallpaper is from B&Q as well, and I believe there is about £12 a roll. We have used 2 rolls. Obviously for us, sometimes things like this is a bit cheaper because we have trade discounts, so I think it only cost us £11 a roll. The artwork, I actually found that frame in a skip, and I just done a printout, Google search image, printout, and put on a frame that I already had, so it's kind of framing the frame, so it cost me nothing. The little cheap chandelier from B&M, £20, because this room is all about fun. So I thought it would be cute. What else can I show you? So all the boxing that Mr. B did. The rod, £56 I think. I will put in the description below. I will put all the items that we have spent in here. So it's a very, very small room, as you can see. The pink tiles again, just to be fun, because I thought to pick up the pink on the butterflies and the parrots, because this room is all about a bit of fun and a bit more daring really, because it's such a small room. The basin unit, I got it on Marketplace on Facebook, only cost me £50. So it was mainly a lot of work. That's a soap dispenser, because obviously the basin is very small, so I thought probably having something on the wall will be much better. The mirror was only £11.99 in TK Maxx, so very cheap as well. And it was mainly a lot of painting really. We did change the handle on the door with a lock, obviously, because it's a toilet room. So it was mainly work, but we are very pleased how it turned out. This was supposed to be just a quick makeover, and I think I got a bit carried away. We used the same tiles for the ceiling in there. The handle that was here was quite old, so I just cleaned it and sprayed it black. So it looks like a new handle, but actually is not. I did buy that little fake fox flower Primark, I think, the other week. Only £6, already complete, ready to hang. So I don't know if you can see, but it's just, again, just a bit of fun. The radiator is quite small, but it's a small room, so it's just to take the chill away. So it was quite easy. So this room cost us under £300. Just a lot of work really, because Mr. B removed all the tiles that used to be all the way up, removed a fake ceiling that was here, suspended ceiling, so that's why we have such a high ceiling now, just like we have in the utility room, what is fantastic because they are small rooms. I'll leave in the description below everything we have used and spent, for you to have an idea. What's coming next? Let me see. The bedroom is still waiting to be redecorated. The ensuite is still waiting to be built. But now is summertime, the weather's been really nice, and probably we won't be doing any time soon, only because once we start the reno in the main bedroom, we need to move upstairs to one of the guest bedrooms. So now with the restrictions, COVID-19 restrictions lifting, we are hoping to have family and friends over, so we will need the guest rooms. So probably we are stuck with a bedroom for a while. But it's no rush. Let's enjoy the summer, enjoy the lovely weather we have been having lately. So thank you very much for watching. I may do a video tour, because it's coming up to 2 years since we started this journey, this renovation project. Will be in the end of this month, 2 years that we officially moved in. So I may do a house tour, so that you guys have a better understanding of what we have done for the last 2 years and how the changes we have done to the house. But for now, that's all. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done already. Welcome to all the new subscribers that I have been gaining in the last few weeks. Don't forget to give the thumbs up if you like. And obviously, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Bye-bye.